Is WIX Drag and Drop? Yes, WIX is a drag and drop website builder, and this is one of its standout features. The platform is designed to make website creation simple and accessible, even for beginners. With its intuitive drag and drop editor, you can easily add, move, and customize elements like text, images, buttons, and videos on your site without any coding knowledge. This flexibility allows users to create unique layouts and designs by simply dragging elements into place and adjusting them to fit their vision. WIX also offers pre-designed templates that serve as a starting point, which you can fully customize using the drag and drop interface. However, while the drag and drop functionality provides creative freedom, it's important to note that WIX locks you into the template structure once you've chosen one. This means switching templates later will require rebuilding your site from scratch. If this video helped explain WIX's drag and drop feature, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.